Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing this pretty look here. This is a Valentine's Day look. I'm starting my Valentine's Day looks today. So this is what this look turned out like. I kept this video pretty simple and pretty quick, so if you'd like to see how I've got this look, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, we are starting off with the maroon, just taking that on a flat brush, and thereafter we are packing it a little over the crease and bringing the outward motion so that we can create the wing like on that side. Now I'm taking my fluffy brush into a deep red and I'm going to blend that out into my eye. So you want to blend and take it out, like so. This I'm placing here on the top of the eye, and I'm blending it with the top. Now guys, I'm going in with a glitter gel so that I can create that whole line effect like how I have on that side. And now guys, with the flat brush, I'm going and doing a wing eye. Now while the glitter is drying, I'm just going to go and apply some mascara. Now guys, we go in with the same maroon for the bottom lash line. Thereafter you go in with the gel. Apply a little and then blend it. While that is drying, I'm going to go in and apply my eyeliner in the inner corner of my eye. Now it's time for mascara. Now guys, with the inner corner, and then just a little above the brow bone. To finish up this makeup look, I'm just going to go in and bake for a few minutes. to just remove it. And now, just going to bronze. For blush, we're going in with the Essence blush, just a little on the side of the cheeks. For the glow, moving on the leaves. To complete this look, I'm going in with the Victoria's Secret Bold shade. So guys, this is what it actually turned out like. So guys, this was a Valentine's Day prep look. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.